Hi, Amy. How are you doing?
Hi, sir. Yes, I'm all right. Thank you. How are you?
Very good. Very good. So today, what do you want to do?
I was just hoping to do a couple of just random exam questions from various topics, just to brush up on, the topics. Don't want to forget anything. And yeah, but these are quite tricky though. I did actually try some.
Okay.
So they're not like your standard. When we go through like the Edexcel kind of questions, they're kind of like standard, straightforward. Like especially the circle ones, they always go, "What is the center? What is the radius?" That kind. But these ones a little bit, yeah, different. So I thought
Okay.
it would
So
be
they are
good.
mixed up, miscellaneous kind of examples
Yeah.
which you need to figure out. Okay, sure. That'll be interesting.
All
And
right.
that is always how the examination paper is, right?
That's
They
true.
have mixed up questions, right?
I can only do part A by
Mhm.
looking at it though. So this one, it says the circle has equation x squared plus 4y squared plus 8x equals 12y minus 3x squared plus k, where k is a constant. So I would start by taking the like terms on one side because we're trying to get it into the form of x squared plus y squared equals
Yeah,
r
yeah.
squared.
So bring everything to the left. We want to keep x positive, okay?
Yeah, so
So
4x
we get
squared
4x squared.
plus 8x
And as far as y is concerned, okay, you want to put x first, right? You're right, 8x. And as far as the y is
plus
concerned, we get 4y squared. Any other
minus
time,
12y
minus 12y. And the
equals
constant term is k, right?
g. Yeah. Then we divide it all by 4.
We can keep k here also. Doesn't matter. Divide everything by 4. Okay, that's good. So 4
Just
is
to,
common, that's why, yeah. You can divide everything by 4. Then you get one fourth, right?
we get x squared.
Okay,
X squared plus 2x plus y squared
okay. So
minus
x squared
6y.
plus 2x plus y squared minus 3y equals to 1 over
Oh, yeah.
4k, right?
Sorry. Yeah. I thought we were
Yeah.
dividing by 2 for a second. Yeah. So by 4. And then we're doing that,
Perfect square.
complete. Oh, yeah, not completing the square. It's like, yeah, taking
Half of this
brackets.
whole square, right? So this is
Yeah.
x
X
plus
plus
1,
1 whole
right?
square.
Whole square minus 1. That's all you'll
Yeah.
do. Right? So
Plus y
let me write a
minus.
step in between for some students. What we do here is that half of 2 is 1. So we add 1 square and we subtract 1 square, right?
Yeah.
And in this case, y square minus 3y, we are going to add 1.5, correct?
Minus
Which is
1.5
3
whole
by
squared.
2, 3 by 2 square and minus 3 by 2 square. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Equals to 1 over 4k, correct? So that gives me x plus 1 whole square. And you could add this one on the other side also, right? So we'll take
Mhm.
this one on the other side. Plus, as far as y is concerned, we get y plus, this
Minus
is minus, so we get minus 3 by 2 whole square. And on the other side, we have 1 over 4k, and this 1,
plus.
and then this 9 over 4, right?
Yeah.
Correct. So as far as the
So
center is concerned, you found that center to be minus 1 and 3 by 2.
1.5.
So your center is minus 1 and 3 by 2.
Yep.
Okay. Find the range of possible values of k. Now k has to be non-negative, right?
Positive.
Because it has to be positive, right?
Right.
So all this has to be positive, and square root of this basically is the radius, correct?
Yeah.
So you
That's
can
why
add
that's
this up. When you add this up, 4 is a common denominator. So get k plus 4 plus 9, right? Which is 13 plus k over 4, right?
yeah, which is
So
greater than 0.
it has to be greater than 0, right? And therefore, k is greater than minus 13, right? Correct?
Yeah.
So that becomes your range for k. And then explain why the equation x squared plus 2y squared equals to 4 is not the equation of a circle.
So this is a question I was stuck on because I thought we just proved it, like it's obvious, but I don't know how to say that. Do you know what I mean? It's only 1 mark.
Yeah, because see, the equation of a circle will have the same x and y intercept, equal distance. You see, if I draw a circle, this is definitely, if you want that to be a circle, in that case, this is actually an ellipse. If you have a circle is symmetric. Circle is symmetric about its center, right? In this case, center is origin. So it is both even and odd function, correct? And it's symmetric. That means the x-intercepts and the y-intercept should be same distance away.
Right.
So if I put x equals to 0, the value of y is what? So
y squared equals 2.
4 divided by 2 square root, right? Plus minus square root 2, correct?
Yeah.
But if I put y equals to 0, then I get x equals to plus minus 2, right? Do you see that? So what you really get is shape was elliptical, not circular. Do you see this? Because now my x-intercepts are at minus 2 and plus 2, and the y-intercepts are at square root 2 and minus square root 2. Do you get the idea?
Right. So what's an ellipse? Is it that shape there?
Yeah, is that shape. Yeah, ellipse has got similar properties as circle. The only thing is it has major and minor axes. So the two axes are different. So the radius. So in general, what we do is we say x, when you write x square plus y square equals to r square, you would actually also write this as x over r plus y over r, whole square, right? Equals to 1. Do you see that?
1, yeah.
Okay, so let me just extend this a bit on this side. And so for an ellipse, it is x, let me write it like x square over a square. Do you see that? Plus y square over b square equals to 1, where a is not equal to b. I wrote b first. You get my idea?
Yeah.
A and b are your intercepts, major and minor intercepts. Whichever is bigger, they call it a major, right? Axis. But if they are same, then it is a circle. You get the idea?
Yeah.
So that's
so to answer that question, can I just draw a diagram and like what you've written there and said it will form an ellipse?
You could do that, yes.
That's really clear.
Or you could also say the equation of a circle is x over r, x square plus r square, x square over r square plus y over r square equals to 1. In this case, if I rewrite this, if I divide everything by 4, what do I get? Let me go from here this side.
X squared
dividing by 4, I get x squared over 4
plus half y squared
plus y squared over, so 4 divided by 2, right? So 4, I'm dividing by 4, right? So it is 2, right? Do you understand?
Yeah, half. Yeah.
So both the denominators, they are different. Equals to 1, right?
Oh, they're supposed to be the same.
So they're supposed to be the same. So it is
right.
It is not x square over a square form, right? This is 2 square plus y square over square root 2 square. Do you see that? Equals to 1. So it is not the equation of circle. It is equation of an ellipse.
I see.
You could say that. You could say that.
Yeah.
This is standard. But since you haven't learned ellipse, so that's the problem, right? But you could say, well, this is not the equation of circle.
I think that was in the mark scheme. I do remember seeing that word there. I didn't know what it meant, so I
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, or you can sketch it as I did. You can find x and y intercepts and say, well, it is not a circle since it is having a different, there's no constant radius.
Right, no constant radius. Yeah.
Yeah, you could explain in that way.
So there's 2 ways to go about this question.
Yeah, depending on what all you have learned, apart from circles, right?
Right, yeah.
To justify your statement.
That's true.
Perfect.
That was, very clear. So do you see what I mean with not being like the classic kind of circle question?
Yes, they are very different. You're right.
Yeah, slightly different.
Good questions. So can I clear the screen now? You got the notes?
Yeah. I got the notes.
Yeah. Next.
We're dealing with fractions.
Yeah.
Then we had the circle question, which part C is the one that I kind of got stuck on. It was just simply describing the fact that we want a constant radius because it's a circle, there's a symmetry, and an ellipse, which I didn't know what it meant before, but now I know. It's the fact that you can have like
major and minor axis.
Yeah, that and then it just looks more like an oval basically, and there's no constant radius, so you just need to say that. And then the final one, but yeah, I understand it now, so thank you.
Perfect, that's good. So keep sharing these brilliant questions, and I hope many students will benefit from this.
Definitely. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay then, all the best. Have a great
day.
Day.
Bye, sir, and you. Bye.
Thank you.